Alright, so today we're going to explore a bit of Saint-Remy de Provence and Les Baux de Provence. Come and check out with us. Well, this street over here is the one that takes you to the place of birth of Nostradamus. He born in 1503, and I'm pretty sure he's quite famous. Well, while in France, something that you have to eat is macarrons. They're delicious. A tad expensive, but worth it. Well, whoever knows me knows how much I love perfume, and we just found just back in this road a parfumeur house that they have the best perfumes that I ever smelled. They are not like none of them are from a big house, but they were so good, smelled so nice.
Take the next left towards Voie Communal des Carrières, then turn right onto Voie Communal des Carrières.
A few minutes driving up the road from the center of Saint-Remy, you have the Van Gogh Museum, and basically it's a monastery where he lived for the last days of his life, and it's a beautiful place to come and visit and check out some of his artwork. This is how the kitchens looked back in the day. It has a pretty weird feeling, just to look how primitive the things were back in the day. But nonetheless, it's still very beautiful to see. On May 8, 1889, Van Gogh voluntarily entered the asylum of St. Paul near Saint-Remy in the Provence region of southern France. St. Paul, which began as an Augustine monastery in the 12th century, was converted into an asylum in the 19th century. Vincent van Gogh voluntarily entered the asylum following the incident where he cut off part of his left ear. Van Gogh, who is amongst the most famous and influential figures in the history of Western art, in just over a decade he created about 2,000 artworks, including around 860 oil paintings, most of which date from the last 2 years of his life. So that was the Vincent van Gogh bedroom that we saw. The other one was some sort of shower room or whatever. Feels a bit creepy, but let's face it, this was a mental hospital back in the day.
Oh, it's a 15-minute drive to Les Baux from here. Let's go.
Alright, so now we're going to Les Lambert.
No, it's not Les Lambert.
We're going to, what's the name?
Les Baux de Provence.
Les Baux de Provence. And that's where we read Les Lambert.
No. Would you just stop that? Look, look at the view.
Alright, so I'm just going to show you a poor bastard that is cycling in this road. Look at the vineyards and stuff.
Oh my god!
I don't even know what to say about this place. Well, unfortunately we couldn't get into the castle because last entrance is at 7 p.m. and now it's 7:30, so we'll have to come back and check it out, the interior, because it looks pretty cool and has some stunning views. On the drive from the church to the reception, all the cars in the wedding party loudly sound their horns. This tradition dates back to the Middle Ages when many people got married in secret And in an effort to counteract this, the authorities required weddings to be celebrated as noisily as possible. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next one. Bye!